In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write perfect headlines in Google Ads. Creating compelling ad headlines is crucial for capturing attention and ensuring your ads perform well. To get started, head to the Google Ads website. It's your gateway to reaching customers and increasing your online sales. Once you're on the site, click on the Sign In button, which is located at the top right-hand corner. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. After signing in, navigate back to the Google Ads homepage. This is where it all begins, offering a range of tools and options to tailor your advertising campaigns. From here, click on Campaigns. This is your control center for managing every aspect of your ad strategies, from current campaigns to new ones. Now that you've entered the Campaigns section, find and select Assets. In Google Ads, assets are components like headlines, images, and videos which are essential to creating a well-rounded ad. Once you are in the Assets area, click on Create Asset. This will allow you to start building the elements of your advertisement. In this scenario, we're particularly interested in creating the headline, which is the first thing potential customers will see. Next, you'll want to click on Headline. Headlines are crucial. They need to be both concise and impactful. They should communicate the gist of what you're offering quickly and effectively. Think of the headline as the hook that draws in your audience. After selecting Headline, click on Add Headline. Here you can begin writing. When crafting your headline, keep it simple and direct. The most effective headlines clearly convey what you're offering and why it's beneficial. Avoid cluttered language and overly complex phrases. Clear communication is key, and a straightforward message is more likely to be understood at a glance. Additionally, remember to align your headline with the search intent of your audience. Use words that resonate and are relevant to your target customers' needs. Moreover, consider including a call to action. This encourages the viewer to engage further with your ad. Simple prompts like learn more, get started, or explore now can significantly enhance your ad's performance by prompting immediate engagement. Finally, once you've crafted and reviewed your headline, save your work. Take a final moment to ensure it aligns with your overall campaign goals and resonates with your intended audience. Crafting a headline is only one part of your strategy, but it holds significant weight in attracting and converting potential leads. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing perfect headlines in Google Ads. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different approaches until you find what works best for your brand and audience. Happy advertising!